a hinge lunge. So we're going to step to the side in the lunge. We're going to hinge back, and we're gonna have the weight, when we're in this position, on the inside heel. And we're gonna lift our toes, but the weight's on the inside heel. And then to the front, lift the heel. All the weight is on the inside. And I'm feeling opening in my sacrum area, because we are doing internal rotation of the pelvis when we are in this hinge position that is already opening up the sacrum, and it's eccentrically loading those glutes, so that's tension while being lengthened. So my glutes are nice and hard right now. All the weight is on the inside heel, and then we're going to move the weight to the outside of the foot as we come back up and in, and now we're contracting and we're in external rotation. So we're coming down into a hinge. The weight is in the inside heel, all along in here. I've got load and tension on my foot. I'm going to hinge back. I'm gonna lift my heel. I'm gonna lift the front, making sure I've got all the weight in there, making sure my glutes are really, really strong. I feel that open sensation. Then I'm shifting the weight to the outside, and I'm pushing myself the opposite direction, and I'm squeezing. And then from the side, a hinge is when you hinge back. All this is stretching. I'm on the inside of my heel. Lift, lift. All that's opening. Then I change where the weight is. Now it's on the outside all the way up to push me through. And there's a contraction. You come back. And I'm hinging back. Inside weight. Double check that. I'm under tension. It's under strength and lengthening, and then I'm pushing and contracting. You can